Okay, she doesn't have anything fancy. It's okay. Go over there, see Christopher. Go over there. Fancy is scared of a rock. Okay. Alright, Mackenzie, go ahead and scooch back. Fancy, go over there, see Christopher. There we go. Alright, Christopher, go ahead. Oh, it's a scary rock. Oh.
Now roll it. Roll it again. It's alive.
Run, Pet-Pets, run!
Oh, it's okay, Fancy. I'll protect you.
Oh, it's scary. Scary rock. Go run downstairs again. Scary rock. No, I don't want her to fall down the stairs.
Oh, you won. Scary rock is going to get you.
Ah, run, Pet-Pets, run!
Oh, Fancy.
Why are your dirty socks on the floor? Whose are those?